Want to organize your work more efficiently in Taskade? Creating projects is the best way to keep your tasks, notes, documents, and AI workflows all in one place. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to create projects in Taskade in 2026. First, open Taskade in your web browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. Then select the workspace where you'd like to create your new project. Next, click the New Project button. Depending on your version of Taskade, you may also see options like Create Project or a plus icon. You can begin with a blank project or select one of Taskade's built-in templates. Templates are useful for managing meetings, planning projects, tracking goals, and many other workflows. Give your project a clear name, then start adding tasks, notes, checklists, headings, or AI-generated content. Yeah, you can customize the project to match your workflow. Taskade lets you organize information using different views, including lists, boards, mind maps, calendars, and tables. You can switch between views whenever it makes your project easier to manage. If you're collaborating with others, invite teammates to your project and assign tasks as needed. Once everything is set up, your project is saved automatically and ready to use. And that's how to create projects in Taskade in 2026. Whether you're managing personal goals, business projects, or team collaboration, creating well-organized projects makes it much easier to stay productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.